Here is a statement of fact. 2025 will either be the year when you eventually make more money online or simply remain broke. But come on, who cares if you remain broke or not? Anyways, I care so much, and that is why I'm making this particular video. I simply want to help you learn how to make more money online in 2025 and beyond, leveraging digital marketing and also becoming really strategic in your approach to doing things. Yeah, I mean digital marketing alone and nothing but digital marketing. There has never been a better time, guys, to make crazy figures on the internet space than now. I mean, people made crazy figures in 2024 from digital marketing simply because the industry became better, right? Therefore, I think it is safe to say that in 2025, people are going to make crazier figures than they made in 2024 because the systems that obviously enabled crazy figures in 2024 are simply going to get better. And here is a singular problem, and I'm seriously thinking this might be a problem you are currently battling with also. You are probably thinking that some figures are way too big to be in your confines, in your possession, right? Yeah, sometimes I hear people say, I simply want to make this amount of money and then I'll be fine. That is not absolutely correct. This is a big problem, right? Some people have the problem of thinking that some figures are just too crazy to be in their possession, right? Come on, you've got to get off that mentality in 2025 if you will make money online, right? Number two, you are also not refining or learning new things in digital marketing, right? I mean, come on, take a look at this particular video and compare it with this particular one, right? I took the pain to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Even after spending over a decade in digital marketing, I simply learned Adobe Premiere Pro and Effects to make my videos of better quality. So 2025 will see a wave of digital marketing seven-figure earners, and here exactly is how I think they will do it, right? Number one, these guys understand that strategic partnership is very important, right? So yeah, very importantly, you need to start thinking how to align or synergize with other experts in the field. I understand that you are an expert also, right? But what happens if you synergize with other experts? When they get jobs or when you get jobs, you run it together and make more money, right? Yeah, so synergy or strategic partnership in 2025 will raise more seven-figure earners in the industry, right? So if you want to make more money online in digital marketing come 2025, you have to get into strategic partnership. You have to partner with other people. You have to get out of your comfort zone and go into symbiotic relationship with other experts in the same field, in your field, right? Yeah, so apart from this, people that will make seven figures in digital marketing come 2025 understand that they need to hone their Gen AI skills, right? Yeah, so Gen AI has undoubtedly taken a good part of our everyday lives as digital marketers, right? Talk about content writing. Generative AI has obviously taken a good chunk of that. Talk about social media. Generative AI also plays pretty good or big in this space. Talk about paid campaigns, right? We've got automation tools, AI tools that allows automation, ad automation. Just name a singular area of digital marketing that AI does not have a massive impact on, right? So those that will make seven figures online leveraging digital marketing must hone their skills around generative AI, right? Yeah, so moving on from there, we've got building brands around yourself, right? So if you want to make seven figures, if you want to make more money online in digital marketing come 2025, you must build a brand around yourself, right? So people are beginning to trust brands more than individuals, right? And of course, even Google itself, in order to rank a content these days, Google want to ascertain if you are a brand or you are just an individual guy who wants to randomly rank on the search engine result page, right? So these are some of the things you must consider, right? And begin to speak like a brand. Even if you are an individual, a single business registration isn't going to be too much to ask, guys. So you have to probably register a simple business around yourself and start building a brand around yourself. When you discuss things online, discuss like a brand. For instance, this is my cup with Patrick. This is just Patrick alone, right? But I'm discussing as my cup with Patrick, a brand, right? This obviously becomes a brand. This is already a brand, guys. So this is what you want to start doing also in 2025 if you want to make 7 figures in revenue come 2025, right? And this exactly is what smart digital marketers are already doing in preparation for 2025. That is if you are seeing this video in 2024, right? But if you are seeing this in 2025, yeah, you must start immediately. It doesn't matter when exactly in 2025 you are seeing this video. It is not too late to get started branding yourself, right? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the next best time to plant that tree is obviously now. So get started immediately and start building a brand and making noise about the brand online, right? This is how you make 7 figures in 2025. And I'm speaking to you from personal experience, right? I mean, personal experience building about 2 or 3 brands so far, right? Although they're still startup brands, but yeah, considerably, I've made crazy amounts of money from this brand already, simply because I was able to come off as a brand and not as a random guy looking to get gigs, looking to get jobs done for people, right? So build a brand around yourself. And moving forward into 2025, my target is obviously to go crazy with my brands. Yeah, go crazy with my brands, guys. So yeah, moving on from here, guys who will make 7 figures in 2025 understand that they need to double down on all areas of digital marketing. Yeah, so gone were the days when people say simply niche down. Yeah, niching down is good. Trust me on this, especially if you are starting out in digital marketing. I would simply advise to niche down, right? Yeah, this is actually a professional advice anyways, right? But if you have got a considerable number of years of experience in digital marketing, yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea to have a good chunk of every area of digital marketing, right? I mean, come on, a client will reach out to you asking to build a WordPress website for them. You don't want to turn them down, right? Because you don't have expertise in building WordPress website. What happens when you know all of the workings of WordPress? What happens when you know how to buy your hosting, buy your domain, and of course set up a simple WordPress website for yourself or for your clients, right? Not necessarily going very deeply into WordPress, right? But once again, just have a good knowledge of every area of digital marketing and probably get these jobs coming in and sharing them once again with your strategic partners, which is why getting into partnership also in 2025, as I mentioned in the first point, is very important, right? So have a good knowledge, not necessarily at the expertise level, right? But a good knowledge, a considerably good knowledge on all areas of digital marketing. Talk about the strategies, talk about the technicalities of digital marketing, right? You should have a considerable level of knowledge on all areas. My 10 plus years of experience in digital marketing has seen me touch on every area of digital marketing. So this exactly is what you want to do as well, right? You want to touch SEO, you want to touch WordPress websites, you want to touch digital media buying, PPC, and the rest of them. You want to touch other very important areas of digital marketing, right? Talk about the social media management and several other areas of digital marketing. So this is how you get yourself prepared for 7-figure reign in 2025, leveraging digital marketing. Now, moving on from here, guys that are going to be making 7 figures in digital marketing in 2025, right, are very good at pricing. You don't want to be the guy who is very poor at pricing yourself, right? So if you must make 7 figures in 2025, you must be very good at pricing yourself. I mean, come on, come up with fine template, fine pricing template, come up with fine invoicing template, fine proposal templates, come up with means by which you can upsell, right? So upsell to your clients, sell more products to them at considerably fair prices or fair amounts, right? So you must understand how to price yourself better if you must make 7 figures in digital marketing come 2025, right? So lastly on this, guys that are going to be making 7 figures in 2025 leveraging digital marketing are sick and tired of playing in the small league. So yeah, there are actually cadres to these things, guys. There are rungs, right? There are ladders to these things. There are steps to these things, right? There are some people, there are some digital marketers that are on the ladder of $10 per month. Yeah, funny as this may sound. There are also digital marketers that are on the ladder of $200 per month. There are digital marketers that are on the ladder of $10,000 per month. There are also digital marketers that are also on the ladder of $1 million per month, or more than $1 million per month, right? Or $2 million per month. You want to get really tired of playing in the small league. This is simply changing your mindset, right? Working on your mindset and ensuring also that you are simply sick and tired of earning $10 per month from digital marketing. Come on, this is completely ridiculous. Yeah, $10 per month in digital marketing, completely ridiculous, right? So yeah, please do the needful, and of course you will join the bigger leagues, the bigger earning leagues in the industry, right? So what about you? Are you going to sit back and simply watch as others crush it in 2025, or you want to take charge of your future? Obviously your call to make, but here is what I want you to do immediately, right? Subscribe to my channel, learn with me, and let's make 2025 the year that we both hit 7 figures together, right? So watch this space, also watch this channel also, because my next video will break down exactly how you can use these strategies or this mindset I have mentioned above to dominate digital marketing in 2025.